Hey guys, welcome back to Leela's Point of View. This video, as you have guessed, is a little bit late because of a few changes in my YouTube channel. It has been 1 month since I started making YouTube videos, and based on the analytical and statistical data which YouTube has given me, I have decided to bring upon update 1 to this channel, or you can say a new intro video along with little bit updates. So in this video, you will be finding out what I did till now, what I am planning to do next, and how are we going to progress, and how I feel about what we have done till now. So stay tuned to find out more. Okay, before all of you start commenting, what's the black spot on my lips? I want you to know that someone has kissed me. It was so emotional that they went a little bit overboard. If you want to know more about who kissed me, stay tuned till the end of this video. Okay, let's start with what we were doing till now. So I think mostly we made basic. I started with a few case study type videos, and then I started animating a little bit. You might remember those poop jokes. And then most viewed videos of my channel was cycling videos. So things I learned from these are basically I was mostly targeting at learning the editing softwares and all the tricks and features in those softwares, including a little bit of animation. So these things they will be useful in my future videos like that. So I was basically in this 1 month I was basically getting accustomed to these video editing apps. Okay, next, what do I feel about these videos? These 1 month of videos which I made, what do I feel about them? We can say mostly I want to discontinue cycling based vlogs because I don't want to vlog and cycle at the same time, because cycling for me is like meditation. Like while I am cycling, all my body parts become one. I become one with the cycle. Like suppose if I am randomly shooting the video and also cycling, it feels like I feel alienated, like as if someone is going through road with a punctured car. The car is punctured on one tire and they are taking the same car. So basically I don't want to do vlog style videos, especially those with cycling. But I'll be taking photos and then I'll be uploading them on my Instagram. I'll share the link of description below. Also, I don't feel very good about cycling based vlogs, especially vlogging while I'm cycling, because it's a dangerous activity, and all the children who stay in those villages who might take me as a role model, I don't want them to do the same thing when they grow up. Like it's not even safe. It's not a safe way to drive. So even if you're vlogging, I want you to take care and make sure you are safe. But I enjoyed the process of making videos, starting from script to acting, which I couldn't do. Even now you can see that it's almost subpar acting. I can't do so much of acting. Actually, when I'm seeing myself, I don't know what to talk, because I think I should change the way I orient my camera. But I enjoy the process of making videos, so I think I'm gonna stick with it, and I have a brilliant idea coming up, so don't miss it. And now for the interesting part, what's gonna come up. Okay, with this update 1, I have decided that I will be doing review videos. Yes, review videos. We won't be reviewing any human beings. We won't be reviewing any gadgets. We won't be reviewing any TV shows. We won't be reviewing any movies. We won't be reviewing any entertainment related things. But we will be reviewing channels. Channels like me, small creators, big creators, everyone in between. So you can say it's a mixture of roasting, educational, entertainment based platform. I have seen that there are not many YouTubers which cater to this genre, so I thought I will be making one, and let's see if this thing works out. Okay, this one is for the audience. Now, from YouTube analytics, I have come to know that my channel audience have a diverse age group, are from a diverse age group. They are adults who are not millennial, and most of the people are millennials. So, I also want to address the age gap. Basically, in all the YouTube videos which I see online, most of them ask for like, share, comment, subscribe, and all these things. Because I only want to make 7 to 8 minute videos, or whatever is the length. I want to make short and crisp videos. I don't want to ask you to like, share, and comment in each and every video. I find that annoying, so I don't want to put that thing in my channel. Okay, next, a little bit about me, my aim, and why I'm making YouTube videos. Basically, I just want to work flexibly in my own time. I just want to be a pirate. I always wanted to be a pirate. A pirate is the person, I think, who exercises most freedom in the world, like Monkey D. Luffy. If you watch anime, I think we can connect, we can vibe together. So also comment if you are an anime fan or you like watching different types of anime. So I want to be like Monkey D. Luffy, the man with the most freedom in the world. So I think working in the present way which I'm doing, it takes a lot of time, and even if I go for higher studies, it offers the same work-life balance. So I wanted to make myself flexible. I wanted to make a passive income source which can lead me into making a flexible lifestyle choices. I don't get what you say satisfaction from my work. I have been doing harder, but I'm not satisfied. Like, let me explain you with a clear example. Suppose if you take any chaiwala on any road, he puts in a lot of effort to make the tea, and once he makes it, he serves it to his customer. When his customer takes a sip out of it, and then he smiles because it tastes so good. So when this chaiwala sees that customer smile, he gets a kick out of it. Even if the chai is 5 rupees or 3 rupees, whatever it is, he gets kick, which is what I'm missing from my life. I think whatever the impact I make, I may be making a lot of impact, but I'm unable to see what I'm making it. So which is why I don't generally like what I do. Which is why I started pursuing cycling. Because I feel really happy when people started cycling after seeing me. They take me as an inspiration. I don't think I'm a person who's worthy of any inspiration, but it feels great. I get a kick out of it, seeing so many people start cycling. So this is the main reason I want to do this reaction review type videos. So basically, I will be reviewing small and large content creators. Generally, all these roasters, which people are there, they generally roast. So what I'm going to do, like Geeky Ranjit is for technical reviews, I will be that guy who will be for channel reviews. Also, one more thing, what I'm going to plan, what we are going to become if this thing gets successful. So what I have actually planned is, this YouTube I already thought as a passive income source. If this works, it's okay, I'll try to build it up. If this doesn't work also, I'll search for another options. But basically, if this thing works, what we will be doing next, what I'm planning for the next 10 to 20 years is, most of you may not be aware of this tiny home revolution which is currently taking place all over the world, in New Zealand, America, Australia, all these places. So basically, I want to live in a tiny home with all my family, and then we want to practice permaculture and all these things. Most of you might not be knowing, there is a YouTuber named Lizaki. She is a Chinese YouTuber. I think you must see her videos at least once in your life. Such beautiful videos she makes. She has a beautiful home also. I think if this is the only life I have and I have to spend my next 20-30 years in a place, I would certainly choose the place where she is living. And so one day I also want to make videos like her and then share them with you. Even if I'm not able to make those videos, I at least want to live like that. And I also want that in India there is a tiny home revolution. I just got bored of this concrete jungle. The place I live currently Jamshedpur in Jharkhand is also a great place. There is so much of greenery around. I like the place a lot. Okay, this is it for today, and then please check out our new logo. And also tell me if there is something you want to improve in that logo. I think it requires a lot of improvement. This is just the second update. So let's see how this thing goes. If this thing clicks, which I am expecting it to. Also, there's an important thing. We are almost touching 100 subscribers. Sorry, not 100 subscribers. We are almost touching 1000 views. So there will also be a special video based on that. Okay, finally, regarding the kiss I told you at the start of the video. On August 15, during the night while I was sleeping, I accidentally fell off my bed. I fell off my bed. And then I fell off on my face. The goddess of earth kissed me here. It's been a bad incident, but I think it's okay. I have recovered from it. It also turned black, and I think it will go off in a few days, so no need to worry.